In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the LCPS Mathematics Secondary Curriculum Group. When you log on to Schoology, you should see the Groups tab above. If you are a part of the LCPS Secondary Mathematics Curriculum Group, this icon should appear in your groups. If not, it might be in My Groups here if you have more than the 12 groups that are shown here. We're going to click on this group. If you're not in this group, you can always join using this access code here, or the direct link found on the LCPS Mathematics webpage. When you first click on this group, you will see updates that come from the Mathematics Department and Computer Science Department, talking about the upcoming PD that's being offered, as well as any updates on the resources that have been added. To get to the resources that you can use to help plan your lessons, click on the Resources tabs. Here, you'll see courses that are identified as middle school math courses, high school SOL courses, general and elective math courses, and advanced and AP math courses. If you scroll down a little bit more, you will see the computer science courses that are housed under the math department. We're going to take a look at Algebra 1. The first thing you see when you open a course is the yearly overview. These hyperlinks work and give you the scope and sequence for each quarter or each individual unit. If we scroll down, we can see the Algebra 1 curriculum units. Here we have resources that will be housed under individual units. We'll take a look at that in a little bit. After that, you have LCPS specific resources, and you can see all the contents that are within each folder bulleted below. And then the orange folder has VDOA resources. Many of these yellow and orange resource folders can also be found in the individual curriculum units. When we click on the curriculum units, we see again that we have a link to the yearly overview and scope and sequence. After that are instructional resources that can be used within each unit throughout the year, such as number sense routines, virtual manipulatives, and games. We're going to go into one of the unit folders. Each unit folder looks exactly the same and has the same setup. We start with a curriculum framework that tells us what students need to know and be able to do, as well as some guidance on how to teach those concepts. Then we have the VDOE lesson plans, hands-on standards, hyperdocs, tasks, activities, games, and videos, performance assessments, and just-in-time formative assessments from the state. These formative assessments are given in Schoology assessments or as Desmos versions, as well as the original PDFs from the state. Performance assessments are non-traditional assessments that you can use with your students. In this folder here, we're going to click on that. We have many different resources that you can use with your students throughout this unit. We have hyperdocs, we have lots of rich tasks from the state, as well as lots of links to Desmos activities that would fall in this unit, open middle problems, 3-act tasks, as well as other activities. We also have videos that have been added to this section. Here is where you'll find many activities that align to this unit too, and you can use with your students. Hands-on standards are manipulative-based lessons. If you click on each folder, there is a link to the PDF of that unit and tells you exactly how to use the manipulatives to teach this concept. You can use these breadcrumbs to go back and forth into the Algebra 1 curriculum units. If you have any questions about the resources that can be found in the Schoology curriculum group, please contact the LCPS Mathematics Department.